Hi everyone, welcome back in this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to save reels on Instagram. So here I have already opened my Instagram, and then I'm gonna find a reels that I want to save. For example, you can just scroll down into your timeline until you find reels that you want to save, or you can just go to the reels page in here. Okay, so this is the reel. For example, I want to save this reel. So what you need to do is you can just click on the three dots icon at the bottom. Whoops. And here you'll find save. This one's right here. And now the reels has been saved into your collection in your profile, and you'll find it at the save page in your profile. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can save reels on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.